Over the years, I've spent thousands of hours trying to build WordPress websites, fiddle around to make them look a little bit better, fix errors, and although it's been great for learning the ins and outs of how to do WordPress and then rank them on Google, it's also been incredibly frustrating at times. And yes, in recent years, the process has gotten quicker with better, lighter themes that you can deploy quickly and add AI into that. You can get things up and running within a matter of an hour or two and have a new site ready to work on. But apparently the game has changed because I've just been sent a tool that promises to do all of that and build stunning WordPress websites ready to go in 60 seconds. This is the tool, it's called ZipWP, and supposedly the #1 AI website builder for WordPress. Creates stunning WordPress websites in 60 seconds with AI, which sounds pretty cool. Someone sent it to me last night and I thought, I got to check this out this morning, see if it can actually deliver anything semi-decent. I haven't actually tried this yet, so we're going to go through literally live and see how it performs. It's pretty quick to create an account, and then it brings us into the main end of the tool. ZipWP is here to revolutionize your website building experience, cutting down the process from hours to just minutes. Sounds great. You can manage all sites you see with a staging site. That's cool. Multiple projects. Blueprints are a powerful way to create and share copies of your sites and use them quickly to recreate your own sites. Share fully functional websites so you can collaborate and send your designs to people before deploying, it looks like. AI sites, blank sites, custom sites. So this is interesting. It's more than just a one-click. It seems to have some decent functionality in there. And I'm still on the free plan, so I've got probably a bit of limited usage, but staging sites and AI website generations. There we go. And I think we should be able to build something pretty quickly and then be able to actually move it to our hosting and launch a website properly, basically, is what this promises to do. Look, bit of an omission. I don't have a personal website. I don't have anything on elliotprince.com. It's a bit of the cobbler's children has no shoes, right? Like, I do a lot of website work, but I don't have a personal website. Although I do run my own sites, just not a personal one for my business. I usually use LinkedIn and YouTube and social media for a lot of my stuff. So let's try and, I guess, build myself a website in 60 seconds once we get these details. What am I? Let's go with entrepreneur and English language. Yeah. Please describe Elliot Prince in a few words. Yeah, good one. Let's see. I am SEO consultant and internet entrepreneur. We just selected the entrepreneur thing. Can never spell that word. They've got a cool improve using AI for the prompt. Elliot Prince is an SEO. There we go. Elliot Prince is an SEO consultant based in the heart of a digital landscape, specializing in internet entrepreneurship. Elliot provides a comprehensive consultancy service designed to boost organic traffic from search engines like Google, with a focus on complete SEO strategies. Blah 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 blah. Topical authority. Okay, it's improved it a little bit. Let's go with that for now. Let's see how we get on. How can people get in touch with me? Elliot. Shift that. Elliot. Prince.com. Let's get some social media in there then as well. Let's add, we've got a YouTube channel, of course, because that's hopefully where you're watching this. And let's throw Twitter. Let's throw my X, formerly known as Twitter, profile in there as well. See how we get on next. Right, okay, so it's gone and looks like it uses pixels to go and find words, images, so I guess we can just go through and select some images that we like. These are okay, I mean they're just the box standard. Social media marketing, yeah, maybe we'll do that one. Let's upload some images of me as well and see how we get on next. Okay, then we move on to the design. Okay, so it's generating some previews for us to look at. I mean, they're not too bad. They're nothing special for a website these days. Oh, there's some premium options down here as well. I mean, as you scroll, there's becoming 40, 50 options to choose from. What about this one? Let's go with something like this, shall we? Let's choose this sort of design. They're sort of pre-made designs then. They haven't been custom made by the AI, and there's some premium options as well. This is just a sneak peek. The actual content will be created in the next step. So you can go through and change your sort of fonts and highlights and all that sort of thing, but I think we'll stick with that for now for the sake of simplicity and speed. Okay, what features do you want on the website? That's a nice added one. Page builder. Design the page with a website builder. We're going to have a blog. Of course, we need a blog. Contact form. Website, emails, appointments and bookings, ecom, so it can add ecom in there for you, automate website and task, free live chat. Let's throw the live chat on there as well. Okay, start building. Boom. So it takes maybe 5-10 minutes to actually just put in a little bit of information. If you've got some better images, that's pretty cool. The prompting's pretty simple, and you sort of choose your design and tweak it a little bit, and then it's going to go and sort of finish the job. So a lot of the time now with WordPress, you can obviously choose your themes in a similar way, but then you've still got to go painstakingly change out the dummy content and stuff like that. So it feels like this is kind of going to go and do that extra step of actually generating the content and just tweaking the site rather than having to do that yourself and switch out the dummy content, whether you write it yourself or you use AI and that sort of thing. So actually for a small business, I mean, I'm not thinking this is going to rank instantly on Google or anything, but for most small businesses, just to get something going, this could be a pretty quick way to just like fire up an idea and get going for if you've just got a business idea you want to test, or you just need a quick website. For example, a friend of mine the other day was like, I've got this idea, I just need a quick website. How should I do it? Should I do it myself, or should I go to Fiverr? What should I do? Well, this might even be his even easier way to go and just get it done as a non-sort of technical person. Okay, here we go. Congratulations, you did it. Your brand new website is set to shine online. Here we go. Can even share it. Got some login credentials there as well. See your website. Here we go. Elevate your visibility. Okay, this is okay. I mean, it's kind of missed the mark in a lot of ways. The pictures are stretched and there's no real padding on the edges of the website. The text doesn't fit on the screen. It's weirdly laid out. The images are all over the place. That doesn't work very well. So, I gotta say, not that impressed with the final result, really. I mean, I wasn't expecting it to be the perfect website, but that homepage isn't usable. Okay, the about page is a bit better. That fits a bit better. We've got the team area we can put some content into. It's put my phone number in there. It's sort of roughly done a good job there. The services page, expert SEO consultant for your business, transform your business. It's got a little picture of me. Probably could have been higher definition, that's my fault. Our comprehensive SEO services. Okay, so it's got our services in there. Fair enough, that's done quite nicely. Content strategy, technical SEO, keyword research, yeah. And it's even gone and added in some very, very basic FAQs. But again, they're there and they're quite easy to go and fill those and expand those a bit better. So what have we got? We've got content strategy. Let's read more about that. Not a big fan of the massive caps, but again, okay, that link doesn't work to that. Pricing. I wonder what my prices are. Let's see. £100 a month for a basic grooming. Pet needs regular maintenance. Okay, so that doesn't fill out either. I mean, this is okay, but actually it's not really feeling any different to particularly if I was to just go and use WordPress and install a regular theme and start editing it myself. It hasn't done that much except throwing some pictures in and phone number or whatever and roughly built out some of the services. Okay, the homepage is now working actually. So okay, we've got the bare bones of a website. It's fine, but is it going to save me much time over the way I would usually do it and having my themes I use and all that sort of thing? Using something like GeneratePress, importing a theme from there and going and editing the content. It's probably not going to save me much time because I've still got to move this across to my hosting. So yeah, create a complete website in 60 seconds. I've still got to do a lot of work to get this even usable, let alone making it into a sort of rankable website on Google. Not that I was expecting it to be perfect, but it's still a long way off